OPPO just introduced the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I gotta say, boys and girls, they really did raise the benchmark for flip phones. Now, first of all, the cover screen. So we have seen other phones that have this type of screens on the cover, but they were either too small to actually do something on it or just didn't have enough information that could fit on the screen. But this time, OPPO has slapped on a 3.26-inch display, making it one of the largest screens on any flip phone to date. I know the process of opening and closing a phone can be fun for the first few weeks, and while some of you might still like it after the honeymoon period, and OPPO has probably thought about that, especially people like me. So that's why the screen can consist of a lot of information on it. For instance, you can answer calls directly from the cover screen, and it will either play through the connected Bluetooth headset or directly through the speakers. So it cuts down the need of flipping up the phone and pressing a button to answer the call. But aside from that, they also included smart widgets on the cover screen. So you can control everything from turning on your Wi-Fi to setting the phone into airplane mode and even turning on do not disturb mode and power saving mode, of course. Basically, the options that you can find in your notification drawer, you can find it on the cover screen as well. And speaking about notifications, the screen has an aspect ratio closer to a conventional screen, but at the same time, the pixel density is high, so text messages and even images feel much cleaner, making it easier to read or just view pictures straight from the cover screen. Customizability is also there, allowing you to set up an always-on display, bit emoji sticker packs, and the best thing that I've ever seen, interactive packs, which is the cutest dang thing I've ever seen. Of course, you can take selfie pictures or even a video directly from the cover screen on the main camera, which is 50 megapixel. Now, the reason why I think that OPPO has set a standard and proved that folding screens are not so annoying is the fact that the crease has been significantly reduced and it is the shallowest in any flip phone to date. It is almost not visible when you look at it normally, and it doesn't feel very apparent when you swipe your finger across it. That is because of the new generation Flexion hinge, which allows the hinge to be smaller than any other flip phone, thus keeping the crease shallow as well. All that is thanks to the hinge that they installed into the phone. Two things happened here. OPPO can place a 4300 mAh battery into the phone, the largest in any flip phone by the way, and again, that makes the crease less apparent. But they made sure that the durability is still there, ensuring 400,000 folds and unfolds. Also, the phone supports 44 watts of charging, getting to a full charge in less than an hour, the fastest in any flip phone as well. Finally, the cameras. OPPO has opted for a 50 megapixel main camera and an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens on the rear. And for the front, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. They worked together with Hasselblad to develop the cameras, and here are some shots that we took with the rear camera as well as the front camera. The OPPO Find N2 Flip is currently available in the Malaysian market, and I'll leave some links in the description below. So guys, there you have it. That is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I think that there is a lot of good ideas here. I especially like the front cover screen because it makes so much more sense for it to be a bigger screen, and it's very interesting how they managed to get the crease so much more smaller compared to many of the other phones out there. So let me know if you are interested in picking up this phone, or if you're considering to pick it up in the near future. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget that's also where you'll find the sub and the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video.